Welcome to season 2 of the Wedding Collective.
We'll keep it as fun and engaging as possible.
Your body is the best indicator to tell you what is going wrong. Sometimes it's screaming also, but we don't listen.
The brain, the gut, and the skin. Imagine them all on a WhatsApp chat together. And when one freaks out, the others are going to freak out.
The best collagen is made while you sleep. You can take all the collagen powder you want, but if you're sleep deprived, it's a waste.
You have to look beyond the initial butterflies and beyond the initial...
100%. Because it's a person that's constantly evolving.
I wish along with preparing for your wedding, there was enough preparation for marriage,
Do we have what it takes to have a successful partnership beyond just all the social optics?
Everyone's seeking lists, which is like the most disturbing thing ever. You're not shopping on Amazon.
Marriage is for life. I mean, divorce is also a possibility, just saying. Okay.
I think it's great that people in your generation and Gen Z want to go back to wisdom and not just fluff. I think we don't give enough credit to Gen Z.
My generation, which is the millennials, started paying for their own weddings, which meant they got to call their own sort of shots. Very often now when we design destination weddings, they're just like family holidays.
There is a strong sense of individuality that's come in. Of course, there is low-key pressure ki Sasuma wants this and Mummy wants that, and that'll always exist.
I feel Bollywood still has such a big influence. Alia's pink Sabyasachi sari, and that's what I want to recreate.
As an artist or as an individual, you need to figure out what you want to do for your bride. Have a little bit of patience, explain to them how they're going to look. Always have a mirror in front of you when you're getting somebody ready, because they will get the confidence if you have the confidence.
Makeup to me is not like masking your face. It's about making a bride feel comfortable in their own skin.
My signature go-to bridal look, which is also trending nowadays. Everyone wants to keep it clean, not do a lot, but at the same time emphasize on some features.
You have to tell everyone how you started this amazing profession.
I got married into a family where I only had to wear saris, and I literally used to hate saris so much. I felt like chopping sari into pieces and throwing it into the dustbin. But also, I loved saris because every time I wore them, the amount of compliment and the amount of confidence that I got, I never got when I wore anything else.
If a couple only had the budget for one big floral element.
Largely in Indian weddings, the mandap also is very, very important and sacred to them. Just create those one or two really important moments.